What if I told you that right now, there's an AI that can detect cancer better than the best radiologist in the world? And it's already being used in hospitals across the globe right now, saving lives as we speak. This isn't sci-fi. In 2026, artificial intelligence has fundamentally changed how we diagnose disease, treat patients, and even discover new drugs. The speed of this transformation is absolutely mind-blowing. Subscribe and hit that bell, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why AI might save your life someday. Let's start with a number that will stop you cold. In 2025, an AI system from Google Health detected breast cancer on mammograms with 94.5% accuracy. Human radiologists scored 88%. That's not a small gap, it's the difference between catching a tumor early when it's treatable, and missing it completely. But here's the crazy part, that was last year. In 2026, the gap has widened dramatically. Google's Gemini models now analyze full-body MRI scans in under 90 seconds. A process that takes a radiologist 45 minutes to an hour is being done by AI in less time than it takes to brush your teeth. And it's not just breast cancer. AI now outperforms humans at detecting lung cancer on CT scans, skin cancer from dermatology photos, and diabetic retinopathy from eye exams. The World Health Organization estimates AI-assisted diagnosis could prevent 3.6 million cancer deaths per year by 2030. 3.6 million lives every single year. Here's where it gets really interesting. MedGemini, built on Google's latest architecture, passed the U.S. medical licensing exam with over 97% in 2026. But this isn't about acing tests. A landmark study from Stanford this March showed MedGemini correctly diagnosed rare diseases that had stumped human doctors for an average of 4.3 years. 4 years of suffering, multiple misdiagnoses, and then the AI figures it out in seconds. One patient had seen 17 different specialists over 6 years before MedGemini spotted the pattern. 17 doctors missed what an AI caught in a single consultation. These AI systems are now deployed in over 2,800 hospitals worldwide. When you walk into an emergency room in 2026, there's a good chance an AI is already analyzing your symptoms before the triage nurse finishes typing. Subscribe right now to stay updated on AI breakthroughs, because this technology is moving faster than any of us realize. Remember when smartwatches just counted steps? Those days are ancient history. In 2026, your smartwatch runs local AI models that monitor your health 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The latest wearables detect atrial fibrillation with 99.2% accuracy. They flag abnormal blood oxygen levels that indicate sleep apnea. They can even detect early signs of sepsis, a condition that kills 270,000 Americans every year, by analyzing heart rate variability and temperature patterns. The biggest breakthrough? Continuous glucose monitoring is now standard on flagship smartwatches. No finger pricks, no expensive sensors, just an optical sensor using AI to estimate blood glucose through your skin. For the 537 million adults worldwide living with diabetes, this is genuinely revolutionary. And here's what's coming next. Researchers at MIT have developed an AI model that can predict Parkinson's disease up to 7 years before symptoms appear, just by analyzing breathing patterns while you sleep. They're testing it as a smartwatch app right now. Your watch isn't just a watch anymore. It's a doctor that never sleeps, that never gets tired, and that knows your body better than any human ever could. Developing a new drug traditionally costs $2.6 billion and takes 12 to 15 years. Most candidates fail in clinical trials. It's the most expensive R&D process on the planet. Enter AI. Google's Isomorphic Labs has 4 AI-designed drugs in clinical trials simultaneously, all discovered using their AlphaFold-based platform. In Silico Medicine's AI-discovered drug for pulmonary fibrosis just received FDA breakthrough therapy status. But the real blockbuster is this: in January 2026, researchers used AI to scan 15 million existing compounds and found that a common antifungal medication could be repurposed to treat a rare form of childhood leukemia. This would have taken decades with traditional methods. The AI did it in 43 days. 43 days versus 20 years. Let that comparison just hang in the air. Let me give you 3 predictions. First, by 2028, AI will be the primary reader for routine medical imaging in 60% of U.S. hospitals. Radiologists shift to a supervisory role, double-checking the AI's work instead of doing the initial analysis from scratch. Second, personalized medicine goes mainstream. AI analyzes your complete genome, your medical history, your wearable data, and your lifestyle factors to predict your specific disease risks. Then it prescribes preventative treatments tailored to your biology. No more population averages or guesswork. Third, costs drop dramatically. McKinsey estimates AI could reduce U.S. healthcare spending by $300 billion annually by 2030. That means lower insurance premiums and better outcomes for everyone. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about the future of health. Hit that subscribe button. This channel covers the most mind-blowing AI breakthroughs every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. I know AI in healthcare can feel scary. The idea of a machine diagnosing your medical condition instead of a human doctor is a lot to process. But here's the truth: AI isn't replacing doctors. AI is giving doctors superpowers. The best outcomes come from human-AI collaboration, machines handling the massive data analysis and pattern recognition, while human doctors provide the empathy, judgment, and care that only a person can give. The AI healthcare revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And if the last 12 months are any indication, the next 12 are going to be absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and share this with someone who needs to know about the future of medicine. I'll see you in the next one.